Hi all. Today we are discussing about sole proprietorship. What is sole proprietorship? Sole means single. Proprietorship means ownership. A sole proprietorship is a form of business organization owned and managed by a single person. It is the oldest and most common form of business. Key characteristics of sole proprietorship: one man ownership, one man control, individual financing, no separate legal entity, unlimited liability, sole beneficiary, easy formation and closure, limited area of operation. First feature: ownership and control. One man ownership. In sole proprietorship, ownership is vested in a single individual. The owner takes all decisions independently. No partners or shareholders here involved. Complete autonomy over business direction. Second one man control. The business is managed by owner himself. No delegation of authority required. Quick decisive management decision. Owner is the boss, not broad approval is needed. Next feature: individual financing. The entire capital is brought by the proprietor. All investment is made by him. Capital structure include 100% fund by owner. Financial risk bear by the owner himself. Investment control is deployed on the proprietor himself. Next feature: legal status and liability. There is no separate legal entity. The proprietor and the proprietorship are one and the same. The business and the owner exist together. They cannot be separated legally. Unlimited liability. The liability of proprietor is unlimited. His personal property can be called upon to pay business debts. Next feature: profit, formation and closure. Sole beneficiary. The sole proprietor is entitled to all profit of the business. There are no partners or shareholders to share profit with. Easy formation and closure. It is very easy to form and wind up a sole proprietorship with minimum legal formalities. There is no registration, no deed, no government approval required in most cases, making it the fastest business to start or closure. Next feature: limited area of operation. Limited capital restrict expansion beyond local market. There is only local market or local area. Single manager cannot oversee far spread operations effectively. Advantages and disadvantages of sole proprietorship. Advantages include easy and quick to set up, no profit sharing, complete control and flexibility, faster decision making, minimum legal requirements, and direct motivation for owner. Disadvantages of sole proprietorship include unlimited personal liability, limited capital for growth, no separate legal identity, restrict area of operation, lack of specialized expertise, and business end with owner's death. Finally, we can conclude that the sole proprietorship owned and managed by a single individual with full authority. There is no legal separation. owner and business are legally the same entity. Profit taken by owner himself. It is individual financing. Unlimited liability for owner. Sole proprietorship operate only local area or local market. Thank you for watching.